everyone, today is my Nanna birthday. Let's bake a cake. Seedless dates. Soak it in hot milk. Leave for 10 minutes and grind it. Dates paste. Let's beat 2 eggs. Beat. Mix. 2 spoons of honey. Greek yogurt. Oats powder. Baking powder. Then baking soda. Salt. Then mix it slowly. Ghee. Vanilla essence. Milk. Into this mold. Now tap like this. We are doing this one in the stove. You can do it oven also. Air fryer also. Bye bye. Meet again. Let's make blueberry jam. Raise little brown sugar. Mash it. Blueberry jam. Cake is ready. Let's apply jam. Let's sprinkle pista powder. Come on. Our cake is ready. Happy birthday, Nanna.